What's good, everybody? It's your boy Rob back with another video, man, and I'm here to give you the top 10 tips for your Galaxy Fold 3. Now, you might have seen quite a few of these videos, and I'm hoping that a couple of my tips are a little bit different than those that you've seen before. Now, if this is your first time here, please feel free to hit that subscribe button and hit that bell notification for future videos like this one that I'm about to show you. So hopefully, again, I can make your time with the Fold a little bit more fun and a little bit more interesting. This is a great device. I'm really happy that I got it. And like I said, I'm here to give you 10 cool tips. Now, first off, one of the things that I like to do is change the font on my phone. Right now, if you look at my drop down menu, you can see how some of the wording. Let me pull up, now as you can see right here, you can check out how dark the font is that I'm using. And I'm gonna show you how, once you change the font on your phone, how that will translate through your whole phone, making everything much easier to read. Now, if you also wanna download some other fonts, you can go into the Samsung theme store. Let me go into Galaxy themes, and you got all these little choices across. Hit fonts, and you can get the top paid, top free fonts, and pretty much just download them and go with whichever one that pleases you. But there are some fonts already preloaded, and the best way to get to that is to go into your settings, go to display, go to font size and style. Go into font style. As you can see, you have Samsung 1, Gothic Bold, Samsung Sans, and you can hit download to take you back to the theme store to download other interesting fonts. I chose the Gothic Bold. As you can see through my settings how much that stands out. So that's my first tip. Change your font size and style. Number 2, place your navigation buttons either on your right hand side or left hand side or in the middle, or you can go straight gesture. Now to do that, go into your settings again, go to display, navigation bar. As you can see, you have the style in the direction in which way you want your navigation bar to be. You can also pick right position, center, or left. Me being right-handed, I like my navigation bar on the right side. So that's how to set up the navigation bar. Number 3, so there's a lot of apps out there that have a hard time kind of working in a multi-window fashion and what have you. And to fix that, what you can do is go into your settings, go all the way down to advanced features. Once you're in advanced features, go into the lab section. Tick on multi-windows for all apps. Now this allows all apps to open in pop-up view or split screen, including apps that have never been designed for these type of layouts. Next tip, number 4, go to the settings, and we're going to click on how to personalize your phone where you can put your name in. So again, go to your settings, go to about phone, and then at the top, click on edit, where right here you can name your phone. Number 5 will be how to swipe down notification screen from any point on your display. See how I swipe down from the middle instead of going up here to swipe it down? I'm able to swipe it down at any spot on my display. To do that, you got to go into your settings, then you have to go to home screen, and then go all the way down to swipe down for notifications, and that will set that up for you. So that's tip number 5. Swipe down for notification panel. Number 6, the next tip is for how this phone comes out the box, where the Bixby is automatically turned on. And let's say you just basically just want to set up that power button the way you wanted it, how it to work. Most people just pretty much want it to just turn the phone off. Now to do that, go into your settings. You go all the way down to advanced features. You click on that, scroll to side key. Right here, you will have all the new commands for the side key. Double press, I got mine set to quick launch my camera, and press and hold for the power off menu to come up so I can turn my phone off. Out the box, Bixby, Wake Bixby is actually activated, and sometimes people have a hard time figuring out how to turn that off. Well, this is how you do it. Also, you can double press and pick any app you want to launch with a double press. Maybe you want to have your Samsung Pay hooked up to that. Number 7, if you don't like split screen for your keyboard, what you can do is go into your keyboard settings, which is right here. This is the Samsung keyboard, and click on that little icon, and that will bring your keyboard together. You click on it again, it splits it in half. You can go into your keyboard settings and pretty much set up all these different options. You got floating keyboard. You can do handwriting to text. You can search. You can also have a couple of apps out down here. You can change the keyboard size. If the keyboard is too small, you can scroll it up a little bit more, and it makes the keyboard that much more bigger. So setting up your keyboard is a key way of getting the most out of your Fold 3. Now, another thing I like to do is enable Dolby Atmos for a better sound. Now go into your settings, scroll down to sound and vibration. Well, here's mine, right at the top. Look for sound quality, click on that. And right here, you can cut on Dolby Atmos for gaming and Dolby Atmos for your setup. Now, whether you're looking at movies or listening to music, or you can set it to auto, it's pretty much better to leave it in auto so it'll do the adjustments on its own. So if you like to move a lot of apps around on your home screen, this is a quick way to either set up a home screen, erase apps in bulk, or make a folder. What you need to do that is you press and hold down one app. Then a bar will appear where you can have select, remove, uninstall, or widgets for this particular app. I'm going to hit select, pick all these apps. You have a toolbar also once you pick all of those apps. And it pretty much asks you the same question that the smaller toolbar that appeared above this app asks: uninstall, remove, or create a folder. Now, a cool tip is you can hold this down and grab all the apps at one time, and they're all will move across your screen together. And let's say you're setting up your home screen. You get it to a point you can release, all your apps will fall into line. Also, if you want to put a bunch of apps into a folder, you select and then hit create a folder where all the apps will come together, and you just give it a name. So that's tip number 9. Probably one of the best features on this phone is you can set up where you can call and text on other devices. So you go to your settings, you look for advanced features, you click on that, go to call and text on other devices, and turn that on. Now you can call and text from your Galaxy Watch, tablet, or speaker using this phone's number and mobile plan. Now, calls will require both devices to be on the same Wi-Fi network. So if you have a Samsung tablet, you will be able to make phone calls from your tablet, and just like this says, your Galaxy Watch. And also it works on PCs, where you can set it up where you can actually have pretty similar to what I call an Apple experience with your PC, where you can receive text calls and see a lot of your messages come up on your PC screen. So that pretty much does it for my 10 tips for the Galaxy Z Fold 3. If you have any other cool tips on your own, please leave those down below. I'm always open to new ideas. Also, if you enjoyed this video, if you like it, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you have any other questions, please leave those down below. Other than that, I'll catch everybody in the next video. I'm out.